Hi guys! Welcome to Leia's Journey TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it to your friends, guys. And also when you subscribe, please click that bell button so you are all be notified when I have new uploads. Thank you guys! Keep supporting me! So hi guys! Welcome back to Leia's Journey TV. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Tsing Yi Nature Trail. Ayan, puro yan hagdan. So it's just an easy trail, guys. So let's go. Okay, here we go. Ang ganda yung trail. Puro hagdan-hagdan siya. Man-made, guys. But it's nice. Look at that. It's overlooking Rambler channel and Ma 1. Yes. Ayan. So guys, Tsing Yi Nature Trail is also known as Kwai Reunification Health Trail. Ayan. It is a hiking trail in Tsing Yi Island, Hong Kong. It is part of the new territories. From up there, we can see the Ma 1 channel and the Rambler channel. We can also view the Ting Bridge and the Tsing Ma bridge. Ang ganda niyan, guys. Later I'll show you around. But for now, hinga is real. My God. As you can see, maganda yung trail. Hindi siya madulas. Ayan. And then you can view the Tsing Ma bridge. Wow. Ang ganda, di ba? Yes. Easy trail lang siya, but then it's not heavily traffic. Lang masyadong nag-hike dito. Kahit gabi, pwede mag-hike dito, guys. Safe naman dito. And then, yeah, the trail is good. Hindi mahirap. And then, malapit lang dun sa kabihasnan. So here, guys, is the resting place. See here. This is the story. Tsing Yi Nature Trails were commenced in 1997 and completed in 1998. The whole trail is stretched 6,400 meters. Ayan. But still, it's an easy trail. So we go along. No hurry. Let's just enjoy the good weather. It's not too cold, though it's still winter. I feel so recharged. Yes, that's what I feel right now. Sarap sa pakiramdam. Maganda yung mga trails nila dito, guys, especially yung sa mga malalapit lang kasi well maintained yung mga trails. Pero alam nyo, kahit yung mga trail doon na sa kabundukan, well maintained pa rin eh. Tataka kang kung paano nila nagagawa. So where are we heading? Pavilion 3, picnic area 2. Oh, we go this way. Let's find out. Okay. May mga nagwawalis din. Oh no, it's the anong tawag dyan? Yung pamatay sunog kung sakali. Oh. Oh. Nakakamiss tuloy yung bukid. Nakakamiss yung probinsya. Ay! Sa panahon ngayon, ang hirap makauwi, guys. So, tiis na lang muna. Hiking na lang para iwas bored, iwas stress. At least, we feel naman na parang nasa probinsya ka rin. Walking on the trail. Goodness. Ayan, guys, ang hirap mag-hiking lang nakamask. Diyos ko, my gosh, nakakasakal, pero tayong magagawa kailangang sumunod tayo sa batas. Mahirap na magbayad tayo ng 5,000. Equivalent to 30,000 pesos na rin yun sa pera natin. Pag nakakita talaga ako ng plane, ang sarap umuwi. So guys, this is the Tsing Ma bridge. This is the 14th longest span suspension bridge in the world. The bridge was named after it connects two islands, the Tsing Yi and the Ma Wan. That's it. The bridge has a main span of 1,377 meters. So, sobrang haba niya, guys. Yung nagdudugtong ng two islands. Yes. Ayan. So, as you can see here, this is the Rambler channel. All the cargo ships goes by, go to the Hongkong port. Yes. Ayan. It's also nice to view sunsets here. Kaya lang, it's still too early to wait for the sunset. Ayan, Tsing Ma Bridge. Sweet.
嗰陣時話有直通車去韶關啊，去到某韶關好多地啊嘛。佢大佬呢間冇得做啦，大佬。考其實佢個班啊，分咗。
So guys, as you can see, this trail is for everyone. It's an easy trail, so everybody can go. Kids, look at that ahead of me. See? Families, friends, ladies and gentlemen, all these grannies can go. See? And the weather is so nice. It's not too cold, it's not too hot. So nice to feel the warmth of the sun, the cool breeze of wind. Oh, it's a struggle, guys, going up. Oh my gosh. Oh, Cathay Pacific. Wow. I miss home suddenly. Oh my god. So hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yes, and click that bell button beside and choose all, click all para maging updated po kayo sa lahat ng mga uploads ko. Makaka-receive kayo ng notifications, right? And then don't forget to like it. Like all my videos, comments are all welcome. And share it to your friends and families too. Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting me. Ayan. Thank you, thank you. So guys, this is overlooking Cheung Wang. Yeah.